In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a Depop sale. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to apply a clean site-wide discount to your active listings so you can boost visibility and encourage faster sales. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Depop.com. Log into your account with the shop you want to discount. If you manage more than one account, double check you're in the right one before making changes, since discounts apply across selected listings and can impact your pricing strategy. Once you're in, go to the main Depop site and locate your profile icon, typically at the top right on desktop. Click your profile to open your account menu. From there, choose your selling hub. This is your central dashboard for managing listings, orders, promotions, and more. So it's the right place to set up a sale without editing each item individually. Inside the hub, click on Selling. You'll see your active items and tools related to them. Next, select Manage. This view is designed for bulk actions, and it's where Depop keeps the controls for discounts that apply across multiple listings at once. In the Manage area, click Discount. Depop's discount feature lets you run a simple percentage-based sale that updates your visible prices in one move. It's straightforward and reversible, which makes it ideal for weekend promotions or seasonal markdowns. Now choose Set Discount. Here you'll pick the percentage you want to offer. Think about your margins and your goal. A modest 10 to 15% can nudge watchers to buy, while a stronger 20 to 30% can help clear inventory quickly. As you adjust the percentage, look for any preview or indication of how your prices will change, and make sure the new numbers still work after fees and shipping. If you sell items with tight margins, lean conservative. If you're liquidating, go bolder. When you're happy with the percentage, confirm your choice by clicking Confirm. Depop will apply the discount to the relevant active listings, and shoppers will see the reduced prices right away. If the interface takes a moment to update, give it a minute and refresh your shop page to view the changes live. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to your profile, entered the selling hub, opened selling, selected manage, chosen discount, set your percentage, and confirmed. Keep an eye on performance while the sale runs and adjust the percentage later, using the same path if you need to fine-tune results. Thanks for watching and happy selling!